Hey everyone! So on my last video, someone asked me to make a video showing my apartment, but I realized if I were to just do that, it would be pretty short because my apartment is fairly small. So instead, I'm also going to show you guys some of my equipment and setup that I use for making YouTube videos, just in case you guys are curious about that kind of stuff. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, let's go ahead. Wait! Oh my god.
You can just add.
Alright, this time for sure.
Make sure first.
Yeah.
Trust it.
Let's go ahead.
Wow,
you can just,
your place is so nice.
Stop being fake. So thank you guys for coming here. These are my friends Kevin, Sally, and Kelly behind the camera.
And this is Totoro.
Yeah, it's
really cute.
It's our pet, I guess.
Yes.
So this is a one-bedroom apartment in downtown Toronto, as some of you know. And this is my kitchen. I guess there's like nothing special here, maybe except for my Google Home. I only got it just because it was kind of cheap, but it's surprisingly useful, like for timers and music and stuff. Fridge here, and then this is where I work usually. This place and this too, like this table. This is my living room. Do you guys want to see my play buttons?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's not on display.
The unboxing.
So this one's like for 100,000 subs. You want to see it?
Ooh.
Yeah, it's not.
Flexing.
Oh, that's not that heavy.
Yeah, it's not that heavy.
The other one is?
The other one's like much bigger.
Oh, it looks so sleek though.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this
Holy
one's
cow, that looks so
this
much
one's
bigger.
for 1 million subs.
This is how you know you're part of the big club now.
Yeah.
Yeah, finally.
It's so pretty. Love gold.
Yeah.
Everything gold.
Yay.
That's
It's like-
so pretty.
Yeah.
Also, this is my channel. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
This is so pretty.
Oh yeah, let me show you guys some other things here. So these are the whiteboards I sometimes use. Like actually what I do with these whiteboards is like I put one of them like right here, sort of on the wall, and then tape it, and then I just like do this and then film it. And then like when I film it like only like this part of my body, it looks like I'm just like standing instead of like doing this silly thing. This is the pen tablet I use for like writing on the screen. Like so this is just USB that connects to my laptop and I just write it on the screen that way. Oh yeah, so let me show you guys like my other rooms first, and then we're gonna come back to my equipment. So this is my bedroom. Actually, I'm living here with my girlfriend, so this is our bedroom. The bathroom also pretty standard. I feel like this place is like pretty old, but for an old apartment, it's not too bad. Let's go back to my equipment. So I guess I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about like how I make my videos, just in case you guys are curious.
We are.
So this is my main camera. It's like Panasonic Lumix. It's a mirrorless camera. If you guys know a little bit about cameras. So usually what I do is I put like a random box here, and then I use this Gorilla Pod thing. It's like a tripod that bends like that, and then adjust the angle, and then I sit here. So I basically like move this chair here and then sit here to shoot. Oh, do you guys want to guess what the rent is here?
Yeah.
Guess?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fun.
2,000.
2.8.
Oh,
Wow.
22?
22.
Yeah.
It's actually 23.50.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, but like it's 23.50 furnished.
Oh, really? This place
Yeah.
came furnished?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So like
None of that is.
like this chair is mine. Like I got it from Amazon. But everything else is like what it was here. Yeah. So I was talking about the camera, the microphone I use. So I think when you make like YouTube videos, the audio is like more important than video. What I use is it's a transceiver thing. So basically, I have this thing, and then I have like something else that goes in into my pocket basically, and then the audio goes from my microphone like right here to my transceiver to the other transceiver and then into the camera. So some people like take video and audio separately, but I like to like take them at the same time, so I don't need to like sync them later. You know, it's easier to like have everything in one file. So that's like the standard setup I use. When I do like tutorials on my laptop, I use my MacBook Pro, and I use like this webcam. It's a Logitech webcam, which is like $80, but the quality is like really good. I think up to like 100,000 subscribers, I was only using this camera because I didn't want to spend that much money. But anyway, like I use this big
Oh wow, that's huge.
microphone. Yeah, this one like goes onto the table, and then I just like talk into the microphone like this.
Fancy. You should do ASMR.
ASMR. Nah.
Fancy.
Oh yeah, one thing I should mention is for editing the videos, I use Final Cut Pro. I'm not like super happy with it, but that's what I know, so that's what I use. I use my MacBook Pro. It's like a couple of years old. It's good for like both editing videos and coding, basically. Usually like I just sit here, but like so recently I got this like really cool sort of thing that goes with my laptop. So usually it's like this, right? But I realized it's too low. But then they gave me this thing that like kind of props up the MacBook. So it's basically like it's
Cool.
like it's attached onto the laptop, and then I can just like do this to use it as a laptop stand.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah. And like if I want to like raise it further, I use this boost stand thing. This one's like really small actually. And then I feel like I'm selling stuff.
Yeah, it says video sponsored.
The affiliate links below.
It's not sponsored by Boosts, but maybe I'll ask them if they can sponsor
It's so
me.
compact.
Yeah, it is. I've had it like for a couple of years, and then I just do this. So like the setup usually looks like this. If I want to like go full up.
When you edit.
Yeah, when I edit or when I code. And then like my back started hurting recently, like sometimes, because like I sit so much. So I made this like really crappy standing desk setup. So I just like, I feel like all of my setup is like pretty crappy and cheap, but it
That's
works.
economical.
Yeah.
Everyone does that.
So I just like, use my root stand, and then put it up, and then just like put it here. It's like,
Wow.
you can see it. It's super crappy, but it works. And then I just do this.
This is way more stable than I thought it'd be. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Tetris with boxes
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna fall, but it's actually pretty stable. So you were saying?
Yeah, it is actually interesting though. Like you're left-handed, right?
Like I'm actually right-handed, but
Oh.
like for the mouse, I tend to use it on the left for some reason.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like it's just like chopsticks and mouse.
Chopsticks.
Oh, you use chopsticks with your left hand too?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Can you show me?
Chopsticks?
Are you right-handed
No, it's-
for real?
Yeah, I am right-handed. Yeah.
Can you write with your left?
No, I do everything except for like the mouse and chopsticks.
Really?
That's so.
No, I would show you, but I don't have chopsticks in this house. Yeah, my friends think it's funny that I don't have chopsticks because I'm
You're
Asian. Yeah, but like forks and knives are fine. Yeah, so like, sort of as a soft conclusion, I don't like to buy a lot of stuff, and that's why like I have a lot of crappy setup like this. It's definitely not Instagrammable, but it works and it's cheap. All right, I guess that's it. I think I'm gonna put a link to like my FAQ page where I list all my equipment, in case you guys want to buy any of those. If you guys have any like topic requests for any videos you want me to make in the future, let me know in the comment section.
Yes.
ASMR. ASMR. Sure.
Gaming.
ASMR. Gaming.
Gaming's related to your channel.